Patrick at PAL. We're back with our 57 Thunderbird. Oh, look. We have a diagnostic tool set up on it. This is an air fuel meter. This is what we use to diagnose carburetors. Now you can see this carburetor looks brand new. That's because it is. This is a replacement carburetor for this unit. The customer bought it before he brought it to us. It wasn't running well. The problem turned out to be bad spark plug wires. We replaced those. Now it's hitting on every cylinder and it's doing really good, but we wanted to check the air fuel mixture. 14.5 is ideal. If you look, we're running at 15 to 16. So we're too lean. We've got to bring this down a little bit and the unit will run much better. So in the next video, we will adjust the carburetor and change the fuel mixture. If you have a carburetor and you need a proper diagnostic done on it, bring it to PAL. See you soon.